Hi, my name is Tracy with Renter's Place. I want to take a minute here and talk about our biannual maintenance inspection. This is an inspection that we're going to do twice a year on each of your properties. It's a 20-point inspection. I just want to walk through the house quickly and show you a couple of things that we're going to look at. One of the things we're going to do as we go into the kitchen and the bathrooms, we're going to look under each of the sinks and make sure we don't have any water dripping or leaking that's causing damage to the house or creating a mold issue. We're going to check all the smoke detectors and carbon monoxide detectors. If they're there, we're going to make sure they work. If they're not working, we're either going to replace them or replace the battery. Another thing that we do is as we walk through the house is we're going to look for damage. We're going to look for pets. We want to make sure that the tenant, if they do have a pet, it's an authorized pet and that we know about it. We're going to check the HVAC system each time we come out. One of the things that we're doing is changing the filter. Just want to give an example here of what a dirty filter looks like versus a clean filter. And while you might not think that's a great big deal, it's really going to affect the life of your HVAC system, and that's one of the things that's going to cost you most on an ongoing cost on your rental. We're going to step outside here and look at a couple things as well. As we move outside, one of the things that we're looking for are branches or anything that may be hitting the tree or hitting the roof, because those can cause damage to your roof. As we come around the side here, one of the other things you can see we do is we put covers on all the spigots. We want to make sure in the winter time that those are on, and then we're going to pull them back off so your tenants can use those to water their plants in the yard in the summertime. And then as far as the spring cleaning, we're going to take the top off the air conditioner there and clean it from the inside out to make sure those grills are nice and clean. Again, to give you a better, more efficient unit to save you money. So if you have any questions, feel free to call us, and that's again our biannual maintenance inspection. Thank you.